Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Lurin app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on my Lurin down here. So then you come to this list here, you click on your name, then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then you come to this list here, then you go down here and you click here on account settings. So then come to this is you just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do when it's going to open video, you click here on advertising data here and come to this list, you click here on demographics here. So then come to this list, you come to use your edge for ads. Clicking this sign that like we see this color show for us, that's mean enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.